Tired of nicks, cuts, and messy grooming? Meet the KENSEN 2-in-1 Body Hair Trimmer, the ultimate grooming tool designed for precision, safety, and versatility. Whether it's your beard, armpits, chest, groin, or legs, this trimmer has got you covered. Say goodbye to time-consuming shaving. The dual-sided stainless steel blades let you trim in any direction with ease. No more hassle, just smooth, effortless grooming. Worried about nicks and cuts? We've got you covered. The nut-safe 30-degree rotating blade ensures a comfortable and secure trim, especially for sensitive areas. Stay confident with every shave. From face to body, switch seamlessly with the 2-in-1 interchangeable trimmer heads and adjustable comb attachments. Achieve the perfect trim, no matter the area. Powered by a 6,800 RPM ultra-quiet motor, this trimmer ensures a smooth, low-vibration experience while handling all hair types with effortless precision. Shave wet or dry, your choice. With an IPX6 waterproof design, this trimmer is shower-friendly, easy to clean, and always ready for action. Never run out of power. The 600 mAh rechargeable battery delivers up to 100 minutes of runtime, perfect for home use and travel. Upgrade your grooming game with the KENSEN 2-in-1 Body Hair Trimmer. Effortless. Safe. Powerful. Get yours today and experience the difference. Tired of struggling with dull trimmers that pull, snag, and leave you with an uneven cut? Meet the SURKER 6-in-1 Beard Trimmer, your ultimate grooming solution. Designed for precision, comfort, and versatility, this trimmer is about to change your grooming game forever. Let's talk about what makes this trimmer a must-have for every man. It's 6-in-1 multifunctional grooming kit. With 6 unique attachments, this kit has everything you need: full-size trimmer, precision trimmer, design trimmer, body trimmer, nose trimmer, and micro shaver. Whether you're styling your beard, cleaning up your neckline, or tackling nose hair, it's got you covered. Its ultra-sharp titanium blades. The high-performance titanium blades are designed for precise, snag-free trimming with lower friction heat, so you get a comfortable, irritation-free experience every time. It's 100% waterproof and easy to clean. Use it wet or dry, in the shower or on the go. The entire trimmer is washable, and the detachable blades make cleaning a breeze. Its LED display and USB fast charging. Stay in control with a clear LED display, showing battery life so you never run out of power mid-trim. Plus, with USB fast charging, get up to 99 minutes of continuous use after just 1 hour of charging. Perfect for travel with its symbol lock key for safety. Experience the confidence of a fresh, professional-grade trim, right from the comfort of your home. Whether it's for your beard, head, mustache, body, or nose hair, this trimmer is built for all hair types. Ready to upgrade your grooming routine? Click the link below and grab your SURKER 6-in-1 beard trimmer today. Stay sharp. Stay stylish. Stay confident. Are you tired of using multiple trimmers for your face and body? Looking for a high-quality, hassle-free grooming experience? Well, your search ends here. Meet the Dollar Shave Club Doubleheader Electric Trimmer, your ultimate grooming companion. Let's take a look at what you get inside the box. You get the electric trimmer itself. A body trimmer head and a face trimmer head, yes, separate heads for different needs. 3 body guards and 3 face guards for ultimate precision. A charging stand and a USB charging cable for convenient power-ups. Its lubrication oil, a cleaning brush, and a travel bag to keep everything neat and ready to go. What makes this trimmer a must-have? Let's break it down. The face head comes with ceramic blades for precision, while the body head has stainless steel blades for durability. Enjoy 90 minutes of runtime on a single charge. Plus, the charge indicator lets you know when it's time to power up. Use it wet or dry, in the shower or on the go, no worries at all. It's have IPX7 waterproof. It's customizable trimming, choose from 2mm, 4mm, and 6mm guards for both head attachments to get your perfect look. Let's see it in action. Whether you're shaping your beard, tidying up body hair, or getting a clean look for your next big event, this trimmer does it all. And with its waterproof design, cleanup is as easy as a quick rinse under the faucet. Dollar Shave Club believes that everyone deserves high-quality grooming products without the hassle. And if you're not satisfied, they'll make it right. Now that's confidence. So, if you're ready to look good and feel good, grab your Dollar Shave Club double-header electric trimmer today. Click the link in the description to order yours now. Hey everyone! Are you looking for a high-quality, safe, and efficient body hair trimmer that works for both men and women? Well, today we're reviewing the Anlin Body Hair Trimmer, a powerful grooming tool that's compact, waterproof, and built for a smooth shaving experience. Stick around to see why this could be the perfect addition to your grooming routine. Let's dive into what makes this trimmer stand out. First up, it comes with two different guard lengths, 3mm and 6mm, allowing you to customize your shave just the way you like it. Whether it's your armpits, legs, arms, or even more sensitive areas, this trimmer keeps you neat, clean, and comfortable. Safety is key when it comes to grooming, and Anlin understands that. This trimmer features rust-proof ceramic snap-in blades with an R-angle design, meaning you get a smooth and irritation-free shave every single time. No more nicks, cuts, or discomfort. Not only is it safe, but it's also incredibly compact and portable. Its lightweight design makes it perfect for home use, travel, or business trips. Just throw it in your bag, and you're good to go. Now, let's talk about one of my favorite features, the IPX7 waterproof rating. You can use it wet or dry, in or out of the shower, and cleaning it is super easy. Simply rinse the removable ceramic head under water, and you're done. Using the Anlin Body Hair Trimmer is simple. Here's how you get the best results. Keycap 1. Hold the trimmer loosely against your skin. Keycap 2. Move it slowly and steadily against the direction of hair growth. Keycap 3. Enjoy a quick, hassle-free shave thanks to its powerful motor. It really is that easy. Plus, with its LED display, you always know your battery status, so you're never caught off guard. So, is the Anlin Body Hair Trimmer worth it? Absolutely. It's safe, efficient, portable, waterproof, and perfect for both men and women. Whether you need a quick touch-up or a full grooming session, this trimmer has got you covered. And the best part? Anlin offers a 1-year worry-free guarantee, so you can buy with confidence. If you have any questions, their customer support is always ready to help. If you're ready to upgrade your grooming game, click the link in the description to get your own Anlin Body Hair Trimmer today. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome reviews. See you in the next one. Are you ready to upgrade your grooming game? Meet the ZHKO Electric Hair Trimmer Kit, the ultimate tool for precision, style, and convenience. Whether you're shaping your beard, trimming your hair, or detailing your look, this multifunctional grooming kit has got you covered. Equipped with premium blades, this trimmer provides high-performance accuracy. The closely aligned teeth ensure a smooth and efficient cut every single time. No more running out of power in the middle of a trim. The ZHKO trimmer features a rechargeable battery with USB charging for maximum convenience. Plug it in, power up, and get ready to style. And guess what? It's ultra quiet. With advanced technology, this trimmer operates at low noise, so you can groom anytime, anywhere without the extra buzz. Designed for all facial hairstyles, this clipper is your go-to for beard trims, haircuts, and detailing. Whether you're looking for a clean shave or a sharp fade, it does it all. Take control of your style and experience the power of precision with the ZHKO Electric Hair Trimmer Kit. Your ultimate grooming companion is just a click away. Get yours today and redefine your grooming experience. Click the link below to order now.